Attorneys are included in the list of professionals. Beyond college, people go to school, to law school, for 3 more years. During that time, they learn the curriculum of their particular law school, but in general, they learn about criminal and civil procedure, contracts, torts, evidence, and things like that. Then at the conclusion of law school, they decide where they're going to practice, and they take a bar exam. The bar exam has actually 3 components. The first part of it can be taken in law school, and it's the professional responsibility portion. It's the ethics portion. Then there is a multi-state portion, which is a lengthy multiple choice, and there's some essay parts in there. And then and that's across the board. It's the same test, standardized throughout the country. And then they take a further exam, which is based upon their state. All of the states have their own subset of laws and rules, and so that's why attorneys are licensed by state. Then you can have multiple licenses in multiple states, like I do. You can take multiple tests, or there are some agreements between states where if you have practiced for a period of time, then you can become a member of their state. So that's how it works. Now, and if you pass the bar exam, then you're an attorney. And if you're ever in a courtroom, you will notice that there is a line. There's a desegregation, or it segregates the 2 sections of the courtroom, and there's actually a railing in many of the old courtrooms, and that is the bar. When you pass that's what that means when you pass the bar. Okay, there's your trivia. All right, when do you need or how do you use an attorney? There are all different kinds. Some are in private practice, some are not. There are governmental attorneys. You're not going to be calling on them usually. The people that you would be calling on would be a traffic attorney, a real estate attorney to help you with real estate transactions, a business attorney, and if you are sued, a litigator, someone who practices in court. Beyond traffic attorney, if you are charged with a crime, a misdemeanor or a felony, you would want a criminal attorney. If you are investing in things, you may need a securities attorney to help you. There are attorneys who represent people in workman's comp situations. If you're injured on the job, that's an administrative process that is separate from the court process. There are also all different types of agencies that states have, and the federal government has its departments also. If you have any issues before those agencies, then you'd want an agency-specific attorney there. So they're all different kinds. They charge in all different ways. When the people that you see on television for product liability claims or medical negligence claims, that's a separate kind of attorney also. And those kinds of cases are the ones where you would hear about a contingent fee arrangement, which is where the attorney is paid based upon the results of the recovery. Most business attorneys and other types of attorneys are charged by the hour, but there can be flat fee arrangements as well for certain kinds of tasks, starting a company or things like that. So I hope that gives you a little bit of information so that you'll know where to go.